Welcome to iBuild, the #1 company for air conditioning repair, servicing and installation in Marbella. We provide a range of services from installing air conditioning systems and maintaining them. We offer a variety of services for residential, commercial and industrial needs. Air conditioning repair is the process of repairing and maintaining air conditioning systems. Air conditioning units, just like any machine, need to be maintained in order to continue working at their best. If there are problems with an air conditioner that can't be fixed by the user, a professional should always be contacted for repairs. A certified technician would know how to service and repair all types of AC units and could provide solutions if there are any underlying issues with a system that needs attention. Air conditioning repairs could include anything from replacing filters and coils to checking refrigerant levels and making needed adjustments. If you have a central AC system in your home or office, you may want to consider finding an HVAC company that offers 24-hour emergency service so that repairs can get done quickly when needed most, which is often during hot summer months. You'll also want someone who can provide maintenance agreements so you don't have any unexpected breakdowns or issues when it's too hot outside. If you are looking for a professional team of air conditioning experts in the Marbella area, give iBuild a call today.